Hello friends, myself Jazz. Welcome to my travel channel Travel with Jazz. बहुत दिनों के बाद मिले हैं तो इस बार हम आपको लेके चलते हैं न्यू प्लायमाउथ.
Today we are traveling from Hastings, New Zealand to New Plymouth, New Zealand, which is about 4 hours 54 minutes away from here and about 397 kilometers. So basically we are traveling from east coast of New Zealand to west coast of New Zealand in North Island. Google Maps are showing it's about 5-hour drive, but we may take longer because we may eat lunch on the way and we may stay on one different place as well, so it may take little longer. I have filled the petrol over here at BP Connect. Now I'm going to Subway, and this city name is Dannevirke. Dannevirke is a very small town near Palmerston North. So we are away from our home about an hour. So we have driven an hour from our home to reach Dannevirke. So we do the lunch over here. Yeah, I found the parking and it's very close to Subway as well, which is good. Sitting over here. Come. Sahaj have a little cough, so we are avoiding any sauce for her. She is asking for sauce, so now we're not providing or giving her any sauce on Subway. You like it? Looks like Sahaj like it. Now we are on the way to New Plymouth. We have a really nice lunch. So we're going through Palmerston North, then Wanganui, and then New Plymouth. Oh my god, oh my god, oh. Oh, have you noticed? The truck was about to collide with our car. The road is not too wide and truck was too long and wide, and the truck's rear part was entering into our lane, and it was like we were just away from truck's rear part just inches. So oh, thank god we are just saved. It was a horrific. Luckily we are safe. uh, this road you can see lot of fans. This is a TAPT wind farm, and this will generate about 45,000 average New Zealand homes power. So it's a very big wind farm. This wind farm make this road beautiful and very scenic. The only problem is that they are very narrow and not suitable for the wide loads or long trucks. Woodville is not far from Palmerston North. We will not enter the city, the Palmerston North. We just go by bypass, and we just drive towards Wanganui. You can see the sun is just setting down, and it's very hard to drive at the moment because hard to see when the sun is just in front of you and very low. Oh, this city is not far from Palmerston North. This city's name is Bulls. Sun setting looks very beautiful, but bit hard to drive. Look at those orange colors near the horizon. They are beautiful. So I'm driving from last 2 hours. Now we are stopping at a mobile gas station, and the city name is Pattaya. So we will buy some snacks from this gas station. And this small city, looks very beautiful. It has some architectural buildings and designs. It's almost dark outside, and hopefully we reach 7:30 at our motel room. You can see the beautiful Mount Taranaki, and in the orange light it looks very beautiful. The moon just over the Mount Taranaki, making it more stunning and more beautiful. Finally, we have reached into our hotel room, and we have bought an Indian dinner on the way, and I will show you little room how it look like, and I will show you the motel from outside tomorrow, because in my next video, because it's very dark outside. So I will show you the little room. There's a toilet over here, and sinks for hand wash, shower over here. And this is a very quiet big room. We have a one double bed, one single bed, a small kitchen they provided us, some glasses, small fridge if we want to keep something, and yeah, some cutlery over here, and this is a oven and cooktops if we want to cook something, but we won't cook something, so we buy it from outside. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in next video.